Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a maple old-fashioned moving right along with our Christmas spectacular. What you want to do is grab 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. And even when you don't have daily videos coming to you Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you can always watch me 8 p.m. And then you want 4 dashes of bitters. Not 3, not 5, but 4. And only 4. And then you want to add a teaspoon of maple syrup. And make sure it's real maple syrup, not that Aunt Jemima crap. And yeah, it's still Aunt Jemima. Not goddamn Pearl Mill River Millie Company, whatever the hell they call it. The name's terrible. Then you want to grab a spoon and then give this a good stir around. And then you want to take some ice cubes and dump them in there. And that's it. A maple old-fashioned. A perfect way to break the ice at any Christmas party. And it's done.